Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I thought to do a little cool video, you feel me? I need to take my contacts out, but I got nails on. Y'all know how this will end. Not beautiful. So, I thought to do this real quick. This is the first time I've ever had nails and applied my contacts. Alright, so I put my contacts in before I put my nails on. But now I have nails on, so how am I going to take them out? We're just gonna have to figure this out together. What I am going to do is get right into this video. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you've been here more than once, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't still subscribed, thank you. Hey. If you guys like content like this, just make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make it easy on yourself. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I think the best thing for me to do in situations like this, when I don't know what I'm doing whatsoever, I have never watched a video on it, didn't like seeing it, never seen it happen. I know it's probably possible that it could happen, but I just never seen it. So what I'm gonna do for my sake is take off my lashes. Now my lashes are off. I kinda want to take off my makeup. Dang. Do I want to take off my makeup? Yeah, I'm gonna just take off my makeup. I'm gonna take off my makeup. Y'all can watch this process. I was hoping I can get right into it by like just, you know, taking out the contacts, but I don't know if that's possible. Especially what if it hits my makeup? I don't know. Let's get this makeup off real quick. Hopefully this is not hard, and hopefully this does not take all day, but it probably will. But I'm not leaving here until I finish and take these contacts out. And then maybe I can do a video with putting my contacts in with the nails. But right now I'm just trying to get these out of my face, and that's on period. Okay, I think that's good enough, but I'm gonna hit my waterline because I have black eyeliner in my waterline. I know all the makeup's not fully gone, but a lot of it's gone, majority of it. Okay. So the next step I'm going to be doing is putting my hair in a ponytail because I don't need all this out getting in my eyes when I'm trying to get this done. So I'm gonna pull my hair back. Sheesh. My hair back into a ponytail. Now I'm gonna wash my hands so that we can start the process. Now my hands are freshly washed. Touches my hair with my nails. Anyway, now I'm going to open up my case. Oh, this is not the case. What am I doing? Oh yeah, it is. It's just opened the wrong way. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna get my handy dandy mirror so I can see. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I can't use my nails because that's scary. We're just gonna figure this out. Oh my gosh, my solution's pouring out. Okay, so first I'm just gonna open up my thing.
I'm so scared in my mind.
My case is open. It's time to take them out. I am scared in my life. By the way, if y'all want some merch, go ahead and copy some merch. It says it is what it is, it do what it do, and it says on the back. You feel? I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put a little clip right here real quick. Okay, now that you've seen that, now let's take these out. Okay, so, oh my gosh, please don't damage my eyes. Maybe if I put my eyes down, I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna look. Maybe if I pull it out, because I can't grab them. Maybe I gotta pull them out, pull them out, pull them out, pull them out, pull them out. All right, you know what? You just try to watch with me. This light is not going on. I don't know what to do. Okay. Oh my God. I'm scared. Okay. Oh no. I did it. First attempt. Oh my gosh. I was putting in my contacts was easy in the beginning. Oh my gosh. That was amazing, but my only problem is, I felt like my left one was gonna get stuck. It was gonna go under my eye. But thank God it didn't. This is probably like the quickest video I probably ever made. Because like, bruh, it's not as hard as y'all think. But I pulled the contact down. But I was scared that thing was gonna get stuck at the bottom. It was starting to get stuck and I was like, oh my gosh. So oh my gosh. Putting them out is not that bad. I wonder what putting them in is like. Opening your eye. Yeah, that's a challenge. Stay tuned for that. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.